I just got to put it this way. MS-13, I want to say, is a racial agenda set up by law enforcement. They go ahead and their initiation rights are to drive around with their headlights off, which gives all the law enforcement a right to follow you and a reason to, right? And also pull you over. But if they find that, like, you have your headlights off intentionally, you're driving around trying to kill somebody, right? Then they're all following you around by 2 blocks around you, giving you a perimeter, right? To either break free or otherwise set you up to actually get arrested, right? Run you through the system, give warrant to go after your whole gang, right? Run them through the system continuously, and you guys be stuck in it for the rest of your lives. Now, do you see why MS-13 is a racial agenda set up by law enforcement to have you get busted when we all are natives to this planet and local to this earth? And they could care less about whether someone wants to say we're from a dog or whoever's from a monkey, because I got both sides of that stuff. But when it comes down to the funky things in our genetics, you got to realize it's lateral evolution. It's actually not that whether we have it. It's like cannabis. It's adaptogenic. It takes up the genes of other plants around it and adapts to how they act and mimics them, right? We go around the world and we eat the same foods as other animals and we mimic them, and we hence get the same genetic patterns from our diet and habitat. And then on top of it, when it comes to certain people not having certain genetics, it's called also outbreeding it through lateral evolution as well. So when it comes down to having a racial agenda, I don't see why anyone really can. The whole world would suck if there was only one type of flower, right? That's why diversity rules. And when it comes down to rich white people or anything like that, I get the stuff that I repost, but it's the fact that I find a racial agenda completely ridiculous. I do get that 1 and 2% can band together and basically control an entire population, but it really takes like about 3 to 5% to do so, right? So I just got to put it that way. So it means one person for every 20 people, one person is actually getting stuff done. The rest of them are doing like paperwork, acting like they're doing jobs for everyone working.